Nagpunta ako ng IKEA and I want to show you some of the items that I got that are only 100 pesos and below. Syempre, unang-una na dyan tong large Frakta bag. It's only 40 pesos. 30 pesos na lang if you are an IKEA family member. Itong soup ladle naman, that's only 90 pesos. O diba nakakatuwa, hindi mo akalain, ganun lang pala yung mga presyo sa IKEA. Maraming mura, actually marami kang mura makikita doon. This one is a wooden turner. So when you hold it, makapal siya and makinis siya. Hindi siya yung parang cheap quality lang. And this one is another wooden cooking utensil. It's also 90 pesos. There. This rubber spatula is only 60 pesos. O, diba? And this one naman, it's 10 pieces seal clips. So, 10 pieces na for 50 pesos lang yan. Ito naman, dishwashing sponges. 3 pieces for 50 pesos only. Tignan natin, try natin kung matibay, kung tatagal siya. And then, pag okay, we will buy more. This one, it's a cork coaster for your drinks. So that's 60 pesos, 2 pieces. So lumalabas 30 pesos lang siya per piece. And this one is the Kalas cups. So I bought this one for 6 pieces yan, iba-ibang colors for only 100 pesos. Yung material niya, it's thick, it's hard. Plastic. Pero nakita ko kasi na dishwasher safe siya, kaya ko siya actually kinuha. And also, it's microwavable. Yan, that's the Kalas cups. Ang cute ng colors niya, no? Pastel colors. And this one naman is the Kalas plates. 6 pieces also for 100 pesos. Same with the cups, it's also dishwasher safe and microwavable. Though I don't prefer heating on the microwave in a plastic container. I always transfer it to another container. And this one, lastly, is a popsicle maker. Nakabukas na siya kasi sobrang excited na si C gamitin siya. That's only 90 pesos. So those are my items that are 100 pesos and below. Diba? Bongga.